Welcome back to my channel. So today we are at another restaurant with Sakya Gongma and his family and his friends. So here we are at the restaurant. The name of this restaurant is Kawa Asia Restaurant. This is Sakya Gongma and this is his what? That's a kitchen. Like that. This is and they have milky tea. This is the kitchen. This is my mom who is helping the others. This is Noah. So yeah, here's Sakya Gongma and his family. So guys, we will see you guys when we're going to eat lunch, and I'm going to drink a milky tea. I'm going to drink the purple. They have the menu, so I will drink the purple. So yeah, bye guys. This is Sakya Gongma. This is Sakya Gongma. This is his family and his friends. I'm going to do a tour. This is other friends. This is me. Now guys, I'm eating lunch. This is pulo.
Hello.
And this is, there are some pulo, 4 pulo. And this is a milky tea. And it's not brown. It's actually the color of I don't know what the name of it, but yeah, actually it's the name of, I ordered this one. I actually wanted that, but they say that it wasn't that good, so yeah, it was brown sugar. So yeah, I'm going to eat. Let's eat. I will show you. This is blood. It's so good. So guys, I will see you guys when something special happens. Okay guys, and now I finished to eat and to do some bubble tea. And now my dad and I and my mom, we are going at our home, Neuchâtel. So yeah, I drink some bubble tea. I'm full. So yeah. So yeah, this will be the end of this video. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.